Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this recipe. Tonight is Chinese sweet and sour chicken. There are 101 different versions and recipes for sweet and sour chicken. Tonight I am frying the chicken bites for a nice crispy coating and then stir-frying it with a delicious, thick, luscious sweet and sour sauce with lots of chunky vegetables. So let's get started. I have 1 large boneless chicken breast, or about a pound of cube bite-sized chicken pieces. You can use boneless chicken thighs for more flavor. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of white pepper, and a tablespoon of cornstarch, giving that a good mix. And then I'm adding in 3 to 4 tablespoons of flour to coat the chicken thoroughly. For the sauce, I'm starting with 1/2 cup of water because you know we have to have lots of sauce. I'm adding in 1/3 cup of pineapple juice, and I'll be adding the chunks later. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and you can make it sweeter if you wish. We don't like it too sweet. 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. And this is optional, but I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder, and I really think it blends well with the sweet and sour, giving everything a good mix and setting to the side. First, I'm frying the chicken. I'm heating the pan with oil to 350 degrees. I'm frying the chicken about 4 to 5 minutes, flipping occasionally or until a golden crust is formed. I'm frying the chicken in 2 to 3 batches, and be careful not to overcrowd the pan. Then I'm removing the chicken from the pan and draining on a paper towel, or you can use a wire rack. I have everything prepped and ready. I'm using my wok, but you can use any pan. I have my heat on a medium, and I'm adding enough oil to the pan to coat the sides and the bottom. I'm adding in 4 large cloves of minced garlic and 1 medium diced onion. Cooking and stirring for 1 minute, and then I'm turning my heat up to a medium-high. Here I'm adding in 1 cup of diced bell peppers. Cooking and stirring for another minute or 2. And this is 1 pound of mushrooms that I cleaned and quartered. Cooking and stirring for 4 to 5 minutes, and the mushrooms will release their moisture. Here I'm adding in about 1 cup of the diced pineapple. You can add as much or as little as you like. I like the nice pop of sweetness from the pineapple. Stirring the sauce 1 last time and pouring over the top. I'm turning my heat up to high. Give it a stir and the sauce will start to thicken as it comes to a simmer. Cook and stir for about a minute or 2 or until the sauce forms. The fried chicken pieces are added back into the wok. 1 last stir to get everything coated, and we are ready to eat. You will want to serve this right away so the chicken pieces do not get soggy. There are a lot of great textures and flavors in this sweet and sour chicken. I love the fried chicken, all the vegetables, and the delicious sweet and sour sauce that brings everything together. Serving tonight with steamed jasmine rice and topping with some chopped green onions. I hope you give this delicious version of Chinese sweet and sour chicken stir fry a try, and enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.